Hi, I'm Tiffany and welcome back to Toyota Bountiful. We're here today talking about accessories. We have bed liners, we have custom interior leather, wheels, tires, lift kits, we have it all. Today we're going to be introducing Texas Mike to talk about this monster 2019 Tacoma TRD Off Road.
Hey folks, I'm Texas Mike. I'm here in beautiful Bountiful, Utah at Toyota Bountiful. I want to talk accessories today. We can do almost anything to your new truck or car that you can think of. So let's start with this 19 long bed Tacoma TRD Off Road quicksand. One of the things we did is we put a 6-inch Pro Comp lift on this beautiful Tacoma. We warranty everything we do, so you're safe, you're secure, and as big as can be. We did the Bushwhacker pocket fender flares. Again, it gives it kind of a beefier bulldog look. What's special about these, we had them custom painted, exact color match. We also added black bolts instead of the standard stainless steel. They're black, they're not gonna rust. It just flows, the color flows. Topped it off with some 35-inch mud terrain tires, 18-inch Hilo wheels. We also did a blackout kit, so all your emblems are blacked out. Again, we're trying to keep this color flow going. We added the Toyota Predator steps. Finished the fender flares off, tires and wheels. Also added a black Toyota exhaust tip. You won't find those very often. I had made specifically for this truck the TRD Off-Road stickers for the bed, replacing the factory ones, trying to keep the flow going. I included the rear tailgate emblems, and to top it all off, I added remote start. So when you're out in this weather and your truck's outside, you just start it. It'll run for 15 minutes on its own. You get in, now it's nice and warm. Hey, come see us at Toyota Bountiful. We're gonna take great care of you. We'll dress your truck up, personalize it any way you want. Thanks for coming.